Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my premium coaching program for new tax pros and new tax preparers. And so I came out with this coaching program in 2020. I've been in this industry for 21 years, 15 as a business owner. And so it was naturally the thing I was going to do was to start my own coaching program. And it would be in the area of tax preparation, and it's for women who are looking to start and grow a profitable tax preparation business for themselves from A to Z. And so the solution I bring to the marketplace is I offer a full service solution which takes away all the guesswork to getting started, to growing, expanding, and having you build a successful foundation inside your business where you can decide from there if you want to keep me on or do you want to continue by yourself. And that's how this coaching program is set up. It's not set up for me to be with you forever, but for to get you at a place inside your business where you've built a foundation for success. You acquired some knowledge, some skills, some tools, some resources that's going to help you build a profitable business for yourself and going to set you on the right road to success if you decide that you want to do this on your own from that point or add some team members to your team, which won't necessarily be me unless you choose for that to happen. So with the premium coaching program for tax pros and tax preparers, I use both terms, tax pros and tax preparers, because being a professional is a state of mind to me. It's an attitude, is a presence that you carry with you that stands out, that lets people know that you're serious about what you do in the area of whatever you're professional in, because you have some people who don't carry themselves as professionals who might have certifications and licensing. So that's important to understand. It's all about your conduct. It's all about your presence. It's all about what you represent in the marketplace when it comes to doing business with others. That lets them know the level of professionalism that you're about. So that's why I use the term premium coaching for new tax pros and tax preparers, because I work with people who got professional licenses already, which means they're CPA, they're enrolled agent, they might be even a tax attorney. And so that's the professional side of it when it comes to the credentials. Then preparers who may not have credentials right now but looking to get some, like myself down the road, are covered as well when it comes to being able to help them build a profitable tax preparation service for themselves. And everything that's included in the coaching program is designed to help you build it out from the front end to the back end. It's there to help you when it's time for you to hire someone to outsource something, that you have places that you can go to make that happen for yourself, where you don't have to figure it out whatsoever. I've done the work for you in advance, and I'm here to lead you down the paths that you need to go once you're ready to get there. And so that's the awesome thing about my premium coaching program. And then, like I say, to be honest with you, we use different words to help us with our marketing, to help us to sell our courses, our products, our service, because we're in business to make a difference. We're in business to have an impact on other people's lives. We're in business to help a person get a transformation, and they only can get it by working with us. And that takes a investment for our finances and your time and your dedication. And so if you're the person that's willing to invest in yourself by investing in someone else who has a program already designed for you to be successful, then you're halfway on your way. The key is being able to take action on the information that I give you. I'm working with women now, and the key to their success is going to be them taking action on the information that I give them studying and getting good at the information, reaching out to me, doing training, and let me know these are things I didn't understand. These are things I pretty got a good handle on. Can we work more on these things versus this? And that's the thing I'm talking about as far as helping you get better, helping you to grow, helping you to become the person you need to become to have a successful business. Because see, what we don't understand is we're not the person we need to be right now to build and grow a successful 6, 7, 8-figure business right now, because the reality of it is we don't have what it takes from a financial point of view, from a spiritual point of view, from an emotional point of view, from a mindset point of view, from an educational point of view. We're just not there yet to take our businesses to the places we want to see them go one day. But we must be willing to grow and get there one day at a time, one process at a time, one step at a time, however you want to look at it. But you must be willing to go to any length to be successful inside your business, but we're using integrity, using best business practices, using ethics, using all the things that's going to help your business stand out, help you brand yourself, help you get to the place you want to take your business to and have a good standing and a good reputation in the marketplace for being an awesome business that provides an awesome service to your ideal client, to your most aligned buyers or clients, will be important to your success. And once you get the knowledge you need and you implement that on a regular basis, and you grow and you get better and you help someone else do the same by simply educating and sharing and documenting your journey on what you did and how you did it, and letting them figure out the how by showing them what you did and giving them some insight on some stuff that we learned on our journey as being new business professionals in this career industry is what I give you inside my premium coaching program. And that information is priceless in itself. For example, letting you know that, hey, these are the processes we use inside of our business to protect the business and the potential client from harm from others is really what it's really all about. That helps us to stand out from people who are not doing those things at all. It's important to be able to know and understand. So if you want to get started right now and be ready for January of 2023, the time is to take action, because we got at least 23 days left in this month, all of September, October, November, December, to get you ready, get you up and running. Because see, the process to getting you ready and up and running is going to be a few things. A, the business credentials, the EFIN provider's application, which is a EFI provider number that we get where we purchase professional software and work with third-party banks that collect our fees on our behalf from middle-class to low-income families. The EFI provider's application in itself normally used to be 45 to 60 days. We can't count on that being the same process right now due to backlog, understaffed, and a whole lot of other things that's going on with the Internal Revenue Service. So to hedge the bets that we be ready on time, we want to take action now on that application. We want to take action now on getting your business credentials set up. So you're either going to incorporate right now or you won't. If you don't incorporate right now, I can walk you through on the irs.gov website on how to fill out the EIN application so you can get your EIN letter right then and there. Because if I have to do it for you, I have to do it as a third-party vendor, which is based on best business practices, ethics, and integrity. And you have to get your letter in the mail whenever the IRS gets to sending it out. And so we want that paperwork instantly. Then I walk you through doing it. So you can print out the letter right then and there, save it to your computer, because that letter, the PTIN information, your business credentials will all go on the EFI provider's application, on the PTIN application, and we'll use some of that information to open up business accounts for your business, which is important. We want 3 business accounts if we can, starting out. And if we can't, we at least want the one, and we'll grow into the other 2, one for income, one for expenses, one for taxes. That's the basic 3 going forward. And so that's what I bring to the marketplace for the women who are looking to get started, is that I have precise, targeted training on what you need to have up front. I know what questions to ask you right away to make sure I can help you have your credentials and everything up and running and hopefully ready before January of 2023 get here. A lot of people don't know the questions to ask you right away when it comes to making sure they can help you get ready for the upcoming tax season, because a lot of people just looking at the fact that they need to make some money, and they got you in front of them and they're going to say and do whatever they have to do to get your money without knowing if in their hearts that they can really help you get ready for the upcoming tax season. So I don't take people money unless I know I can help them when it comes to setting up their business and having it ready for the upcoming tax season by asking them some specific questions, like when it came to the e-file provider's application, the only way you can get to it was through having an online account on IRS.gov website. Well, the good news is they've changed the process where now you can go to id.me, create an account that way, and it's going to help you get to the e-services, the e-file provider's application, which is where you make the money from. The money comes from being able to provide the service of tax preparation to other people by buying professional software, registering with a third-party bank that's going to collect your fees from clients that fall into the middle class and low-income families who walk away with nice-sized refunds who are not used to paying out of pocket. And that's real important. So I had a special going on, which ended July 31st. It was $1,295. It's back to its regular price point of $2,000 or for payment options of $500 each. We can talk about the specifics when it comes to the payment options in a live setting, either on Zoom or on the phone. So if you're interested in being ready for the upcoming tax season with confidence, you want to take action right now, because the majority of the people I'm working with right now are brand new, no prior training, no experience. So I had to get with them quickly. I got to ask them the right questions quickly. I got to make sure I can help them quickly so they can get ready by making their first payment once they decided that this is the right fit for them and they're ready to go forward. I got people who've done their own taxes from home. They work with other people doing taxes from home, but now they want to go to a whole nother level and have their business set up in such a way where they can collect their fees from those clients out of their refunds, being able to learn how to prepare basic income tax returns without having to constantly call and go to someone for an answer to a question, which is time-consuming and frustrating, especially when the other person might be busy or you might not have another person you can go to. So that's important. So when it comes to my premium coaching program, it's designed to fast track your success. It's designed to take away all the guesswork to getting started and growing a profitable business. I'm going to give you all the information and all the tools and resources and lay it at your feet. Let you know these are the things I use. These are the things that's available. These are the things you want to check out for yourself, because you want to make sure that you pick software that's user-friendly and affordable for you, regardless of what it is. And that's the key to that, because what I might like, you might not like, and vice versa. So I let you choose. I let you decide what's the best software options for you, regardless of what software it's going to be, regardless of what it's meant to do, and make sure it's user-friendly first. And on top of that, you can afford it. Those are the prereqs. User-friendly first, and it's in your price range. So if you say I got $750 to spend on software, I'm going to show you software packages that's in that range. You check out the demos. You see which one is the best user-friendly fit for you that you're going to enjoy using to do the work with for your clients for the upcoming tax season and beyond. It's real important. So these are some of the simple things that I talk about, that I discuss inside my premium coaching program, to helping new people with no prior training experience understand before getting started. And for people who have prior training experience already, who want to go to the next level, we still have these same discussions, because as an employee working for a tax firm, you've been used to using their proprietary tax software. So if you work for a national known brand like Jackson Hewitt, H&R Block, or Liberty, they got software designed and made for them versus the software that's out there on the market today for tax professionals to use. I love and use Drake. It's pricey, but to me, it's user-friendly, and I'd rather pay something that's user-friendly and might be pricey versus inexpensive and non-user-friendly, and now I'm frustrated. So if I got to choose between user-friendly versus the price point, the user-friendliness is going to always outweigh the price point. I'll come up with the money if I need to, if I really want to use that particular software, versus inexpensive software that's not user-friendly, that's frustrating and time-consuming, and that's going to make my job that much more frustrating to do when it comes to servicing my clientele that I'm out here trying to go and get for my business. So if you want a free consultation, call me up at 773-782-1320. and we can talk, chat, see if we're a good fit for work with another. I can educate you and show you what it's going to take for you to get started, especially if you're brand new to this industry, no prior training or experience. I'll get your email address from you. I'll send you over actual forms and publications that I use to train my clients with who need to learn how to prepare taxes for clients by acquiring the knowledge and skills to make that happen for themselves. And then we show you the different software options, the bank options, the tools we use when it comes to the secure portals for sending and receiving documents to your clients that especially has sensitive information on it. We have to have a secure way to make that process happen. So we cover all these different things on the front end, on the back end, to have a full-fledged tax preparation business for yourself. And so I specialize in helping people start a tax preparation only service. And that simply means your primary service will be tax preparation, 1040 individual tax returns. It won't be accounting services. It won't be bookkeeping services, but it'll be strictly tax preparation services. Now, the only way it'll be other than that, if you have other skill sets that we can leverage and market inside your tax preparation service. So if you got bookkeeping skills that you're confident and you're good with, then we can market those as well inside your tax preparation business, like I do for myself. So my bookkeeping service specializes in working with independent tax firms. So if you have tax preparation business going on and you don't know about keeping your own books, then I specialize in work with those type of companies who fall into the tax preparation company space. And so when it's all said and done, if you need to know more and you want to learn more, possibly work with me, or you can go to my YouTube channel, The World of Tax Preparation, or you can type in my name, Thomas Ledford, and it'll bring up information on me where you can find my channel, click on it, subscribe to it, watch enough videos to make a decision if I'm the good and right fit for you to help you start and grow a profitable tax preparation business for yourself. Because see, what you're going to find out if you haven't already experienced this is that people are going to approach you on helping you start and grow a business and won't be able to follow through on their promise. But they already been and got your money, and now you feel in a certain type of way. Those people are no longer available, and you're definitely not getting a refund back from them because they had no intentions on giving you one in the first place. And so you got to be careful on who you do business with. You got to do your own due diligence. You got to be able to reach out to a person, check out their website, check out their YouTube channel, check out all the other social media channels if they have any, and most importantly, get them on the phone and follow it up with a Zoom call, get a face-to-face meet with one another, get a better good feel for them to confirm what you may already be feeling. If it's a positive feeling anyway, especially if you already came across my YouTube channel and you've been checking out my videos, then once I get you on the phone, generally for the people that's ready to take action, they normally become clients. They normally make their one-time payment or their first-time payment option. And we normally set up training the following week, not the same week, based on when they came in, and we started to get busy. And so as the year closes out, I'll be getting busier and busier, and I won't have a chance to work with women who looking to start their own tax preparation business unless A, you've already got your EFID already set up and approved. You already got your business accounts. You already got everything in place. You just need the support from a seasoned veteran like myself doing actual tax season with the different type of clients that's going to come through your door that you're going to need help with when it comes to those type of situations. So when it's all said and done, if you're looking to start your own tax preparation business and you don't want to do it by yourself and you don't want to make a mistake and you don't want to ruin your career and your brand before even getting started, definitely reach out to me or someone like me who you believe can help you make it happen. And if you want to take action now, we can definitely have a good chance of having you ready before January of 2023 get here, or before tax season starts, once they even announce when that's going to start. Hopefully we'll be starting in January again. And so we want to have you ready. We want to have you with confidence. We want to make sure that we can make it all happen for you. And the way to do that is to take action now. Give me a call again at 773-782-1320. I always leave my contact information inside all my videos where you can email me, text me, call me, however you want to do it. and I'll see you in my next video.